right, let's solve for x. Okay, now what they have in common is 7 to the power of x, right? So let's factorize that out. 7 to the power of x. Now when this is divided by this, we have 1. When this is divided by this, we have another 1, is equal to 490. Okay, so what we have is 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of x is equal to 490. Now to remove these 2, let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. Okay, so we have 2, or let's just divide it from here, divided by 2 divided by 2. So this will cancel this, and we have 7 to the power of x is equal to, when 2 divide 4, we have 2. If we divide 9, we have 4 remainder 1, right? If we divide 10, we have 5. So this is 245. 245. All right, now at this point, the only option we have is to introduce our log to both sides of the equation. So we have log 7 to the power of x is equal to log 245. Okay, all right, now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Now the most interesting aspect of this video is not even to get the solution. Getting the solution is very easy. Now the most interesting aspect of this video is where we prove that what we got is right. So don't miss that part. Do not miss that part for anything. Okay, so that means that from this law I can bring my x down, right? So let me bring my x down. That was a joke. That was a joke. Okay, so my x is out. Log 7 is equal to log 245. All right, now I'm going to divide through by log 7 since I'm looking for the value of x. So that is exactly what I did, and you will notice that this will cancel this, and we have that x is equal to log 245 divided by log 7. Now let us express 245 in terms of 7. All right, so let's see what is going to give us. Now when 24 is divided by 7, we have 3 remainder 3. So 35 divided by 7 will give us 5. So this simply means that in terms of 7, 245 is 7 times 35. Okay, so we are going to write that here. So our x is equal to log 7 multiplied by 35, okay, divided by log 7. All right, now x is equal to, okay, before this I want us to recall a law in logarithm that states that log a multiplied by b is equal to log a plus log b. All right, yes, it's a law. Now let's do it here. Let's apply the law here. So you can write that x is equal to log 7 plus log 35, everything divided by log 7. Okay, so let's distribute the denominator. Therefore we can write that x is equal to log 7 divided by log 7 plus log 35 divided by log 7. All right, lest I forget, if this is the first time, like this is your first time seeing this amazing channel, oh yeah, click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, yeah, so that you don't miss our amazing videos. Like, this page is always hot. We upload at least 2 times every day. Can you imagine that? Yes, at least twice every day you have a math to come and just use to refresh your memory. So subscribe to the channel so that anytime we drop a post, you will be notified first. Okay, and then give us a thumbs up. It's very important to us. Do you know why? Because it's going to tell the algorithm that yes, this video is actually very okay, and then it pushes it to more people so that more people that really need this for their exam will see it. Okay, thank you so much. Now this is where we are back to business. Therefore our x is, this we divide this to give us 1. So we have 1 plus log 35 divided by log 7. Now if you look at this, notice that we can still express log 35 in terms of log 7, right? So we can write that x is equal to 1 plus log 7 times 5, right? Divided by log 7. So x is 1 plus log 7 plus log 5. Remember that I've explained this before. Yes. So when you have multiplication, you add. Divided by log 7. So we can say that x is 1 plus log 7 divided by log 7 plus log 5 divided by log 7. Now, we can write, permit me to clean this. It's actually disturbing me. All right, so we can write that x is equal to 1 plus 1, because when this divide itself, we have 1, right? So 1 plus 1 plus log 5 divided by log 7. So we can write that x is equal to 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 5 divided by log 7. I don't know if you can still see this. So let me just quickly do that here. We are close to our solution. Please stay put. So we have that x is equal to 2 plus, I'm just going to repeat what I wrote there in case if you couldn't see it. All right, so this is what we have over there. Therefore our x is 2 plus log 5 base 7. Yes, because when you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a base b. Okay, yeah, so that's why I wrote this as log 5 base 7. Yes, let's get to the most interesting aspect of this video. Ta-da! Now let's check. Okay, let's check. The video says, the question says 7 to the power of x, 7 to the power of x, 490. Okay, now our x is this 2 plus log 5 base 7, right? So that means we have 7 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 7 plus 7 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 7 is equal to 490. Now we have the same thing into two places, so it's same thing as 2 times that thing. Okay, so we'll write this as 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of 2 plus log 5 base 7, all right, is equal to 490. Let me even put a question mark. Is it really equal to 490? Okay, so this is 2 brackets. When you have, recall that when you have a plus b as your power, is the same thing as the base raised to the first power multiplied by the base raised to the second power. I've already explained that before. So this is the same thing as 7 to the power of 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of log 5 base 7 is equal to 490. Okay, so when you have, let me say something here. When you have when you have a to the power of log b base a, this and this are the same. Okay, this is equal to b. Therefore, we can write here as 2 bracket 7 squared is 49 multiplied by, that means since we have the same thing and here, this is the answer for here, is equal to 490. Okay, all right, permit me to clean here. Now we have 2 brackets 49 times 5 will give us what? 5 times 9 is 45, right? 5 carry 4. 5 times 5 times 9 is 45. We write 5 and carry 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So this is what we have. Okay, is equal to 490. Now 2 times 2 is 4. Sorry, what am I doing? 2 times 5 is 10. You write 0, carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 490 is equal to 490. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you for watching.